Okie dokie groovers, in this video I'm gonna demonstrate to you how do you set up your ads for the self-liquidating funnels, both tripwire or direct to sale, of anything else that has a purchase event. If there's any new uh, kind of strategies, if you're chasing purchase events, you're playing the gold standard game, this is how you set up your ads. So clearly if you're running a tripwire, but it's getting a bit confusing because you're offering a free training. So your ad is a free training, sending people to a landing page, then they opt in, they become a lead, but then you don't need an lead event there because you don't care about if they're becoming a lead or not. You're installing a purchase event on the next page when the purchase actually happens, just like I show you with the event setup tool, how do you set up your pixels. So you don't care here about the leads because you don't want Facebook to learn from the behavior on an ordinary lead. You're gonna see that lead in your email anyway. It's in the list there anyway. It's gonna be in your SMS if you're using. So once they opted in, they're in your ManyChat or they're in your ActiveCampaign, Mailchimp, email provider, whatever. So you have them. So you don't need to install a lead event at all, right? So you're optimizing your ads for purchases because even though it's a tripwire and there in the middle there is a lead event, you don't care about that because our goal is the gold standard making purchases, right? So you optimize your ads for purchases because you want the machine to go and look for people that are most likely to purchase to start with, and once it achieves that, you want the machine to learn only from this specific event, this specific consumer's behavior when they complete a purchase, and go and find more people like that and says you, because this by optimizing your ad for a purchase in the ads manager, you're basically giving a command and telling to Facebook, this is the event that matters most to me, this is the event that complements my business objective, this is the event I want you to learn from, and let's do it. So it's the same, even if you go directly to sale, it is the same. If you run any kind of strategy, any kind of a funnel, and it goes to sale or a purchase, this is how you set it up. This is the technical part, right? So we start with creating a campaign. You select sales in the bottom. You go continue. Manual. About advanced shopping campaigns in some other, that's something new from Facebook, in some other lessons, lives. Stick to manual for now. Okay, name it purchase campaign. Terrible spelling, Ivan, but who cares? It's all about making money, not becoming a grammar expert. I like to say that. Doesn't matter. We move then. You always select advantage campaign budget. This catalog, guys, this is for e-commerce stores. You know, in Facebook and Instagram you can have a store, that's for them. You go advantage campaign budget, select your budget, don't touch anything else there. There's no need for anything else. Don't do creative A/B testing. No need for any of that. You go next. Name your ad set again. Now, we talk about messaging, but in this case we go website because we want them to take informed decision. Now here you have maximum number of conversions, maximize value of conversions, maximum number of landing page. So all of this down here, guys, is not conversion event. None of this pays our bills, so you should never ever listen to anyone and optimize your ads for this. Clicks, reach, impressions, blah blah blah, they make the numbers look good in the ads manager, but your pockets stay empty. Maximize number of conversions. I want as many sales as possible. That's what you want. Now you have to select the pixel code, so you need to tell the machine which pixel code. You select your pixel code and then you need to tell them which event does matter to you. In the lead events we were selecting lead. Now we're going to need to select a purchase event. Here it is, purchase event. Now it says, oh, it might not collect anything, we don't know, don't worry about it. That's because you haven't run purchase events. If you never run purchase events, Facebook doesn't understand what a purchase event means to you, and as soon as you start generating some sales, you will have no. So you can clearly ignore that. Here on the right it tells you, okay, the size of your audience, which is just a fancy number, which is never accurate. Then you scroll down, you always select dynamic creative. We know why, 322, we talk about this many times by now. Select your audience, you can use Advantage Plus audience, doesn't matter. Ivan Burev. Never ever again, ever use detailed targeting and all that crap. Just select your audience, age, location, and gender, and you're good to go. You go next. So the main point, let me go back to the ad set. The main point is website, maximum number of conversions, select the correct pixel code, select the event purchase. That's it. You're going next. Make sure your Facebook page is the right one. The Instagram account is the right one. Make sure that you click dynamic creative on the previous page on the ad set level. And then you have create an ad, manual upload. This is something new, flexible formats. Okay, too many notifications, show options. Yeah, this is something new, and it's actually does nothing change because we selected dynamic creative. It is a flexible format. As I told you, it's the best way to run ads. It does the algorithm combo AI way before ChatGPT and everybody started talking about AI. Go down. Yeah, you need to put the URL. So now, guys, you need to put the correct URL where people are going to land. So this is mine for this occasion. So where are the people going to freaking land? If you put the wrong URL, you're just gonna lose money. Alright, there was a small glitch with Facebook. You see there used to have like a red notice that the URL doesn't exist. Typical Meta. Restart, delete the ad, start creating it from scratch. It's a glitch. There's nothing you can do. Now, when you put the link, automatically it gets some preview, gets some image from your website. Don't worry about it. You come to media. We set 322, select 3 pictures. Primary text 1, primary text 2. We set 2 primary text and 2 headlines only. Yeah, money. Oh, yeah. Mucho dinero. Whatever, doesn't matter. But here on the side you can see again how the ad looks like. There's the headline. You know how to see advanced preview, or the been through that. Never ever use description. Data adds additional complexity to the dynamic ad. You can choose your call to action. Never use anything else to learn more. You don't need. Tracking is all done, all set up, and you're ready to publish your ad. So this is the same, guys, for every purchase campaign you run. If you're selling courses and online freelancing, and you're ready to go. So if you have a question, see in the Facebook group or in your live Q&A.